Welcome back. We're keeping our eye on a couple of different weather systems for you. One of them, most noteworthy today, look at this counterclockwise movement out in California. That's not good. We'll talk about that in a couple of minutes. Here we have an item of interest, I'll call it, tonight. It could be very brief. This color, bluish, kind of purplish, usually represents snow. This color, pink, represents ice. We could see a little bit moving through our area quite quickly in the late evening hours tonight. It will be very scattered. It probably won't amount to anything for most of you, maybe just a little bit of drizzle at times. It'll clear out quickly overnight into the morning hours tomorrow. Futurecast tells us also temperature-wise here in Charleston, we're going to be at about 34 degrees when this precipitation moves through. Again, we're not expecting much of an event at all as far as anything at all on the ground. Overnight tonight, this low, 31 degrees, will probably be closer to sunrise. There will be more clouds developing. Again, a scattered wintry mix just for some of you as seen on our Futurecast. Light and variable winds overnight. Let's look at your daytime temperatures for tomorrow. We're going to start out at the freezing point and we're quickly going to move up into the 40s. That's good for people who are involved in water activities tomorrow. We'll see an afternoon high near 50 degrees on Saturday. Then comparing our temperatures for what we expect over the weekend, a zoom back up to near 60. It's almost like last Sunday's weather is going to be repeated. 59 degrees would put us about 12 degrees above average for this time of year, and winds from the southwest foretell more of a temperature rise on Monday. But Monday's conditions, rain, thunderstorms possible, and gusts of, we believe, between 40 to 60 miles per hour at times. We're looking at Futurecast for, this is Sunday night into Monday morning. We're going to see first some rain and then some increased intensification, the possibility of thunderstorms, but the main concern is this will be a repeating cycle throughout the day and the winds. This is Monday morning at 7 a.m. Gusts from the south up to 40, 45 miles per hour. It gets worse. By 10 a.m., the winds may be up to 60 miles per hour. We have seen some projections that call for greater wind speeds than that. That seems to be dissipating a little bit. Our forecast then for the afternoon hours still winds up to 50 miles an hour, and then the winds will be finally dying down throughout the evening. We talked about the winds, let's talk about the water. 44 degrees, the current water temperature that we often check on Fridays in this area. That's at Lake Charleston. The air temperature at that time, 29 degrees. And the water temperature tomorrow at Lake Sarah for the polar plunge, we predict temperatures in the water and the air to be somewhere close in the lower to the middle 40s. Good luck to everybody there tomorrow. Now, our 7-day outlook, you will notice no mention of the possibility of any snowfall for the foreseeable future. We have had our last snowfall for this year back on February 17th. Last year, by the way, no snow at all in March or April. So we're looking at a big precipitation event, though, on Monday after a warm-up, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And of course, the month of March begins Wednesday. March, it looks like, will come in like a lamb.